Today we will look at a phylogenetic candy tree. For this particular tree, it all begins with a chocolate bar. The different types of chocolate bars are each their own operational taxonomic unit, or OTU. OTUs are different species, strains, or alleles within a species. These bars all belong to the larger group of chocolate bars, however, they differ in their composition and other characteristics. A phylogenetic tree illustrates the degrees of similarity found between the different OTUs based on differences found in their DNA sequences. The type of tree pictured is a rooted tree, which is used when the OTUs share a common ancestor, and the distances in evolutionary time between the different OTUs are known. The order in which the OTUs diverge from the common ancestor that they share is based on comparison between one OTU, known as the outgroup, and the others. The outgroup, or the regular milk chocolate Hershey's bar in our case, is the OTU which diverged first and is most distantly related to the other groups in the tree, and therefore serves as the root of the tree for the remaining OTUs. The horizontal lines represent where agenesis, or evolution among a single lineage over time, occurs. The lines which branch out vertically from a single point demonstrate cladogenesis, or the splitting of a single lineage into two separate lineages from the most recent common ancestor. This common ancestor is represented by an internal node, which is the point at which two distinct lineages diverge. After the two lineages separate, each evolves separately from the other. More specifically for our tree, the first internal node represents the common ancestor of all the chocolate bars, a regular milk chocolate bar. The regular chocolate bar then diverges into bars with nuts and bars without nuts. This next node represents the common ancestor from which the chocolate bars with almonds and the chocolate bars with peanuts diverge. The next node shows where the almond chocolate bars with milk chocolate and the almond chocolate bars with white chocolate diverge. Next, this node represents the common ancestor from which the chocolate bars with caramel and the chocolate bars without caramel diverge. The following node represents the common ancestor from which the Milky Way bars which do not contain a crispy cookie and the Twix bars which do contain a crispy cookie diverge. Finally, the last node represents the common ancestor between the Mars bars which do not contain a wafer and the Kit Kat bars which do have a wafer. This has been a presentation of the phylogenetic candy tree. Thank you for watching.